guys, today I'm back with another Empties video. It's been a little while since we picked through my trash. If you're curious about this look, I did just film a get ready with me trying out a whole bunch of new makeup, lots of big successes in there, so I'll link to that down below, but let's go ahead and get started. The first item I want to talk about is one of my favorite products of the year, something I did not expect to like. It is the Marc Anthony Strictly Curls Curl Enhancing Styling Foam. They have since updated the packaging. It's still yellow, has just like a little bit of green on it. This is so good. I have been loving all of Marc Anthony products. I've been talking about it all the time, but this is the product that I've been reaching for when I know I want my curls to look good. And I even find sometimes, not all the time, but second and third day curls look great as well, with a little zhuzhing. But I hadn't used a mousse in years, and they sent this to me and I was kind of like, I'll try it. And then I was like, wait a second. So really been enjoying this. I know I am late on a kind of wash and go curly hair routine, so stay tuned for that. I promise it's coming. But this will definitely be a part of it, and I already have a second bottle. I have another hair product that I absolutely love, something super affordable if you live in the United States, readily available at the drugstore. This is from the Pantene Gold Series line, and this is a newer line to them. It's sulfate free, low lather, paraben free, and it is available in Canada, but you have to go through like Amazon, I think, and it's going to be quite a bit more expensive, but I love this. First of all, I love that it comes with a ton of product, because if you're someone with curly hair, you know how much you can go through, you know, a conditioner, a co-wash, something like that. You use quite a bit of product, so it's extra nice when it's an affordable product and you're getting lots in there. So this is infused with argan oil. It says it's sulfate free and cleanses and restores strength to protect natural oils, essential for healthy hair. And I really love this. I love the whole Gold Series line, and I have been hassling the PR team for Pantene to bring it to Canada, so I'm doing what I can. Probably not gonna be able to do much, but I'll keep hassling them. And I really like this, similar to the other co-washes that I've mentioned. I love this for days when I don't want to do the whole shampoo conditioner thing, but I do want to wash my hair and wear it out curly. It does a great job cleaning my hair. It doesn't strip it, but still I can detangle it. It still looks really good, and it's just really nice to have to be able to do just one step instead of shampooing and conditioning, because that to me is already just way too much, knowing that I still have to blow dry my hair and whatnot. Not that my hair process really takes that long, but I just want minimal steps, so this is a great one for that. I have an empty body wash. This is a body wash and bubble bath, actually, although I rarely take bubble baths. This is the Origins Gloom Away Grapefruit Body Wash and Bubble Bath. Really like this. I love anything grapefruit scented. It has a really nice grapefruit scent too. It has, it's not like a typical super sweet. It has almost that little kind of bitterness that you get from the peel, so it feels a little bit more authentic and less like sugary sweet. So this was really good. I generally prefer a body wash that's a little bit more creamy and hydrating, but I did think this was great, and I did never use it as a bubble bath, but I think it would make a really nice bubble bath because the scent is so good. Two products here from the Body Shop, and this line from the Body Shop I love so much. It's their Spa of the World line. So this is the green one. I have the Ethiopian Green Coffee Cream and then the French Grapeseed Scrub. So I love both of these so much. This cream is really nice because if you're used to me kind of describing the face creams I like, this is kind of that in a body cream. So it's kind of a gel cream. Really lightweight, great for the day if you just want to kind of rub something on your skin quickly. You don't want to go with like a heavy body butter, but this still does such a good job moisturizing, and a really light kind of fresh scent if you're not big on fragrance. And then this is the French Grapeseed Scrub, similar kind of light scent and a really great scrub. Really small kind of granules that get in there. It's moisturizing. It feels so good. My other favorite scrub from the Body Shop is their mango one, because that one's a little bit oily, and I like that it has that oil in there. This doesn't have that same feeling. It's a little bit more creamy, but just the scrub to cream ratio is beautiful. You get tons of product in here. I'm using the blue one now. I think it has seaweed in it, but I definitely love these. Highly recommend. From Neutrogena, I have two of their sheet masks. I actually did a video with Neutrogena late last month, so I went through a few of these in testing them prior to the video, along with pictures and the video itself. So this is the Deep Clean Purifying Hydrogel Mask. So it's kind of like a sheet mask, but it's a hydrogel, a little bit of a different texture. And as I mentioned in that video, I like this because it's hydrating, but it gives you that purifying feel to the skin, because if you have oily skin, a lot of more sheet mask products are targeted towards more hydration. So it's nice to have an option that is a little more friendly for oily skin, but still kind of hydrates. And it comes in, my boyfriend's coming home. I'm filming, sir. I'm in the middle of something here. Huh? I'm in the middle of something.
Okay. What?
Filming.
Okay, Did they interrupt you?
Yes.
Were you talking in the middle of?
Yes.
Oh shit, sorry.
It's okay. Come on in. Anyways, I don't know, I lost my place, but I do really like these. I wanted to mention these Cottonelle Fresh Care flushable cleansing cloths. I think I got these at Shoppers Drug Mart in their travel section, and I wanted to mention them. It was my first time trying them actually, but I really like them. Good for travel, good for that time of the month. It's kind of like one of those things that a lot of people don't necessarily like to talk about, but either would see and be curious about, or try them and like them but still don't really spread the word. So I really like these. I like that they're flushable, so it's good for travel because you never know like where you're gonna kind of end up, and if you're out for a long time, beach, whatever it may be, these were great. I've also tried the ones from Sweet Spot, which are, I guess, kind of the sister brand to Skin Fix, which is a Canadian brand, which I've talked about before, and they make wipes as well, and I really like those. Moving on to the Shiseido Facial Cotton. Now, if you know me, I do not like to spend money on makeup remover wipes or cotton pads. I'm a big time go to the dollar store, buy 3 packs of 100 for $3 like I did last night. But, ooh, Rue, my goodness. These are delightful. I especially like them for nail polish removal because I only need to use one, while when I'm using something like my more cheap Dollarama cotton pads, I definitely need to use 2, if not 3. So they're really good. They're also good if you remove all your makeup with a cotton pad, because I could never do it all with just one of the other ones. I generally use a cleansing oil, so I don't reach for this kind of thing, but I actually did really like them. I feel like, yes, like you don't need to go out and buy them, but if you're curious if they actually do anything better than like a dollar store one, I think they do. But what I have started purchasing, and I bought last night as well, so I bought my dollar store ones and I bought the Quo version. So Quo, available at Shoppers Drug Mart, makes a version of these kind of more luxury cotton pads, I guess, and they were $7.50. So obviously more expensive, but you do, I can't remember how much I get in there. I'll leave it on the screen, but I do actually really like them. So I kind of, it depends on what I'm using it for. Like if I'm just grabbing, I just want to like clean one eye, or I'm doing something kind of lower maintenance, something not hardcore, I'll reach for my cheap ones. But if I want to remove a full face of makeup or I'm doing my nails, I have been reaching for them, and they do last me quite a while because it's not like I'm using it every morning and night. Like I would never reach for these just to put a toner on my face because I don't need something heavy duty for that, but I do really love the Quo ones. So that's I can't believe I'm actually recommending a luxury facial cotton, but I mean, it's still Quo, like it's not crazy expensive, but I definitely do see the value in them. I have a mini Gimme Brow here from Benefit. I like this, but I 3000% like the 24-hour brow setter better because I'm not looking for a ton of color or fibers. I do that with pencils and I already have quite full brows. People seem to love this so much, but I'm like, but have you tried the 24-hour brow setter? That for me just gives me, I like the brush on that better. I like the way it shapes my eyebrows, and I like the way it holds my eyebrows. I feel like it has much better hold than Gimme Brow. I guess it kind of depends on what you're looking for. I do like this, and I do have some of them and they're fine, but for me, if I had to pick between the two, by far I'd be going with the 24-hour brow setter, but I did use this guy up. I finished up a Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. Really like this. This was one of my first kind of ventures into facial sprays, and I would repurchase this because it's quite affordable, but I have so many sprays right now that it's just unnecessary because sprays have just become a total thing. But it is nice and refreshing. It's something I used as part of skincare. It's something I used on no makeup days just to spray on the face, and it comes in a few different scents, and it is quite nice. You're getting rose water, aloe, thyme. There is fragrance in here, but I don't find it to be anything that bothers my skin. It's also cruelty-free and paraben-free. So I did really enjoy this, and when I bought it, I think I bought it online actually, at Beauty Bay or maybe Look Fantastic, but then they also do sell Mario Badescu at Urban Outfitters if you live in Canada, so it's a good option to check there as well. So I'm gonna leave it there. That is everything I have finished up lately. Let me know down below, as always, if you have finished anything up yourself. It is always an accomplishment in my books. And if you'd like to connect with me, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at SamanthaJaneYT, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!